Good morning, friends. Welcome to class UKG. Today we will start Block 7 Look What I Can Do and LP1 I Can. Keywords are short, long, same. Now let's start our circle time. Aim. Students will be able to follow the rules and routines. Friends, do you all remember our classroom norms? Very good. What are the classroom norms? Listen to the teacher, wait for your turn, follow the instructions, and raise your hands. Excellent. Now let's start our theme time. Aim. Students will be able to sustain listening for 10 minutes. Listen and respond with relevant actions and comments. Friends, do you all remember the story? Very good. Now answer these questions. What is the story name? And what does the word were tell you? And what do you think the story is about? Why were they worried when they woke up in the morning? Why were they scared crossing the bridge? What did they call out each time they wanted to know if Patty was there? What are the different places they crossed? What helped you to answer the questions? And what did you learn from the story? Dear friends, now all of you read your storybook. Patty, Patty, where are you? And answer these questions. So when we listen carefully, we are able to answer the questions around what we listen. Listening helps us to learn new things. Now let's move on to maths time. Aim. Students will be able to compare two things to see which things is longer, shorter, or the same size. Some questions are given here. Read it carefully and do the answering. The first question, which is longer? The second question, which is shorter? The third question is, which is shorter? The fourth one is, which is longer? Then, look at the objects in section A. Circle the objects in section B with the same size. We can compare things by taking their measurement. Things can be long and short or exactly the same size. Now let's move on to the playtime. Aim. Students will be able to run, jump, crawl, and hop with confidence and in safety. Before starting, we will revise some safety rules. Be careful while moving. Then watch for objects around you. Stay close and not run far away. These are some of the safety rules. Then here we will play a game called Clean Tag. Before starting the game, make a predefined boundary to play the game. It's a group game. One has to pretend being germ and one has to pretend being soap. All others should run away from the germs. But if the germs happen to touch you, you must freeze immediately. The person who is pretending to be soap is the only one who can unfreeze you by touching. The germs need to stop others from getting unfreeze. We can make the game more challenging by asking students to jump, crawl, and hop while moving. Now let's move on to the language time. Aim. Students will be able to draw and talk to communicate what they are writing about. Now all of you take your scrapbook and draw any one place where Sati and Natty went to find Patty. Second one, you have to draw any one animal which is in the story. After that, you can draw how Sati and Natty feel when they are in any one of the places from the story. After, you can draw why do you think the shadow under the tree is Patty's, and draw Patty's shadow. After that, you can fill this table. 4 columns are given here. The first column is who, second column where, third column is about how, and fourth column is why. After drawing, you have to fill this table accordingly. Who tell us, the word who tell us characters in the story. The word where tell us places they went. The word how tell us how they felt. And the word why tell us reason you think it is Patty the bear. Thank you.